All of us have concerns about memory.
But according to scientific point of view, we can define memory and know important concepts about it, as its classification, synaptic plasticity, long-term potentiation, papez circuit, memory-related disorders.
So, what is memory? We can say that memory is our brain ability to store information and recall it when it's needed. Here we go to classification. Memory has two classifications. One is physiological and it's divided into explicit and implicit, and other is general and it's divided into short and long-term memory. We should know that explicit memory is a memory of facts, either general or personal, while implicit memory is our procedural memory to practice skills, which doesn't involve awareness. When we talk about general classification, we can describe short-term memory by being immediate, limited, and stored in frontal lobe, while long-term memory is slower, very large, and stored in neocortex. But here is a golden rule, which is the mechanism. Short-term memory involves chemical changes, while long-term memory involves structural changes. Now, we have to answer an important question, which is how we make memories, or in other words, how the information is consolidated in our brains. And this question will help us to know about synaptic plasticity, which is considered a key word in learning and memory. Synaptic plasticity is one of the most important neuromechanisms that involve structural changes in neuronal connection to enhance or regress signal transmission. Long-term potentiation is an example of synaptic plasticity. Long-term potentiation involves prolonged strengthening of postsynaptic response to presynaptic stimulus. This is how our short-term memory is changed into long-term memory, so you can study and store huge amounts of information. And it's especially prevalent in hippocampus. When we speak about hippocampus, we must remember about papez circuit. In 1937, James Papez, the American neuroanatomist, has discovered a neural pathway termed as papez circuit. This circuit has an important role in consolidation of recent memories, especially emotionally related memories. Here we have a closed circuit starting hippocampus, then mammillary body, then anterior thalamic nucleus, then cingulate gyrus, where the emotions are expressed, then back to hippocampus. Now, it's time of memory-related disorders. The most common one among them is Alzheimer, but there are some other diseases manifest with memory troubles like Parkinson's, semantic dementia, and others. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.